Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome on today's video. Very special one, guys. It's early morning over here. We thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for clicking my videos. So on today's videos are very special, guys. You can see I'm just within here, and all my videos normally start from here. So on today's videos I'm going to do planting of kales and onions to have a small kitchen garden. And through you guys, you suppose watch my videos every day. You say hello baby, plant veggies, plant tomatoes, and probably I'm going to do a short kitchen garden for my mama. So for any emergency, when maybe somebody want to eat kales or to do kachumbari, but to be honest, I'm going to plant kales and spring onions. That's the main key and the main veggies that we need to have. So I'm just within here, and I probably, in case you're new here, guys, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, and go and check Felicitas. I really appreciate. So for my premiere again, you'll get these videos not too long. I'll make a video of maybe 50 to 1 hour. It depends, because today is on Saturday, so I'll do earlier premiere video. And when I'm going back home with my baby, I must wash them. You know, I'll take them after going home, guys, doing everything. It's purely that. Right, guys, it's been long since I washed them, because guys, you know that I came from interior part of the village. Or in another way, our roads are not that much good, because we have the main tarmac road, and also when going to the interior part of the village, we have a road like this. Well, guys, soon, guys, I'm going to celebrate with you 7K subscriber. I'm remaining with 25 to go. Maybe this could be the last part of the videos I'm shooting, and then for the next videos it's celebrate 7K. Maybe I'll do a live stream for 7K subscriber, because guys, it's not an easy to start from 0. You count to 1 up to 500, and then up to 1000, and then up to 7,000. guys, it's by God grace, and you guys, you stand with me. Wow, I can't complain. Even right now I'm speechless, because you're the one who make my dream come true. You know, man, to have a motorbike in our village, it's not an easy thing. You can struggle over 5 years, 3 years to have your own motorbike. But by God's grace, I have my own motorbike. I'm driving, and in other way, guys, I'm remaining with $800 to complete the payment. But we signed the contract down. No pressure, no hurry up. You know, every month I'm supposed to pay at least $100, and then I finish up in a good way. And guys, last week I didn't upload videos, like longer videos. Probably I was working. There's some issues of bricks, and then you know, I'm not to be honest, guys, from my side, I'm just humble-hearted, and I'll never take things quick and fast. I must go step by step, follow the protocols, you know, as Hero Baby. And I know where I came from. There's no need to take the guy to the court. So we sit down as family, two families, my family aside, and also the guy who make for me bricks, the family aside. So we agree in June they're supposed to return my money back. And there's no need to take him to the court, because they could suffer a lot. You know, when I'm going there, I will claim my money, because I give him money. And then, you know, when the court allowed, you must pay double of that money, and which is a lot of money. So I decide, as a Christian, let me the guy return my exact money, because when I take him to the court and report my case, he denied my money here and there, and it's $30,300. $300 is not an easy thing in our village here. Even I could maybe start the project, But from my good heart, and my mom have a good heart, we decide let's sit down with their parents. We agree, and then they will turn my money back in June. Because when I take the case to the court, they're supposed to pay $900. I'm telling you guys, my money is $300, but they're supposed to pay twice or triple for my money, which is a lot of money. And I decided, because of maybe we know where it came from. Sometimes, guys, poverty is everywhere, and sorry for saying this, but we understand the situation in our village. So we said let's return my money back. So by June, when my money returning back, maybe I would use to buy sand or to buy cement. And this season is the season of raining. I supposed to buy sand earlier as much as possible, because when it reach June there, it will start maybe react like dry season, and probably I supposed to have the sand on the ground, because cement is not a big deal. I could go to the hardware and have like 20 bags, 10 bags, 5 bags, 1 bag, whichever the case. So guys, I'm heading home right now, and I'm going to do planting. That's my bike, guys. You make my dream to be shiny. Well, guys, imagine. And guys, big shout out to Dave Jr. Go and check on his channel, subscribe in case you're new here. Support him, guys, because he was my mentor. He was the one who brought me on this platform, and I appreciate that. And also, guys, go and check Felicitas, please, guys. I think right now when I wake up in the morning, looking my phone, he remaining with around 24 subscriber. I think it's not 24, 14 subscriber, guys, to hit 500, guys. I appreciate, guys, for the love and support. The way you're supporting me, let me support her, guys, by making videos showing like you made this video like this and this, to write a good title here and there. Wow. And there's a day, guys, I visited my sister from Malawi, and guys, you show me some love, and also maybe their parents are good fans of mine. Wow. So story from another day. Let's go that way. And guys, when I get money soon, you wanna see my picnic, because most of the people try to comment on my comment section, hello baby, try to do picnic. I'll do it one day. I'll do it maybe in local way inside here, maybe to the hotel, maybe you'll see, guys, you'll see. But I normally love this place. I'll do a short picnic for you guys. Let's go. That's how we go, guys. Love is for free, guys. Subscribe to my channel. Show me some love. I'm outside, guys. I'm outside. I'm chasing my dream here and there. No time for negativity. No time for negativity at all, guys. Wow. Heading straight with my bike. I was coming from heading that way. I love this nature, guys. I love this nature because it has good vibe for me. From my side, it has a good vibe. Wow, that's how it goes. Village life all the way. Ooh, hello baby, official to the world. I'm trying to motivate young youth outside there. If they're watching my videos as brother and sister, please, if hello baby can try to make it a little bit, why not you? But the place where I came from, guys, from that forest, it's a little bit quite morning, I understand, like not that much, too much lights. Let's go, guys, let's go guys, let's go. Imagine a day like this. I wake up very early in the morning, come on this place, making my videos, going back home, and then people charge me wrong, most of the negative people. Oh, these are tractor here going that way. Wait to come across from other side, going this way. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Imagine, guys, if I could stay just within here in the tarmac road alongside, my bike would not be full of that. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Boom. Quick and fast videos. Quick and fast video. Wow. Also, there's a church right here. Let's go. Wow, people build, man. People build. I'm telling you. Outside here, people invest, you know. Let's see what about Hello Baby. When you go this way, you're going to Priska Sagatis. But when you go that way, we're going to I'll say. Wow, look that house. Okay, oh guys, stay tuned, we shall meet home. Mama, say hello. Mama, say hello. Hello. Yeah guys, so this is our small kitchen garden here. So we are planting kales, guys. That's my African mom right there. Wow. Wow, guys. Wow. You want skuma? Yeah, I mean kales, guys. You hano muimi hati vitunguri. Tachitokore. Wow. Guys. African mom. Yeah. And then we fence by using net, mosquito net, to prevent chicken going inside, guys. Right there. That's my hard-working mama. Ever. Mama Tachui. Wow, guys. African mom to the world. Hey. Wow. Kuya na ni chakotem. See guys, right there that's kales. So we need to have a small kitchen garden. Hey mama. Yes. Two nets are enough, mom. Also, we have some veggies here, guys. You see that one here? Wow. Okay, guys, the cow is grazing here, and the other drinking water right there. That's my brother. Say hello. Hello. You good? And my cousin, say hello. Hello. And the Angus kumekikeiri. Wow. Look, guys, sweet home, best home. Wow. That's how cow grazing, man, right here. At this particular time, wow. So for my grandma cows and our cows, guys, look at this one here. Okay. Wow. Sit home. And this side here, we have the kitchen garden right there right now. We have the toilet. We have the borehole right here. Hey, city home. Okay. Guys, right there, that's our small roundery. And actually today, we're heading to the kitchen garden. So that being said, guys, we're going to plant the kales and onions. I think it's not bulb onions, spring onions. Wow. And over here we have my mama. Look, guys, the situation that we have. Mama, let's go. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
Yeah, that's my mama. How are you, ma'am?
I am fine.
You're fine?
I am good.
You're good? Okay, that is it. So, mama, let's go and plant skuma. You know, we have some suckers. We plant suckers actually, guys. And like not seeds for the kales. We have two types, like two categories of kales. We have which one can go to aggrovate. We buy seeds, we plant in the nursery. And we have another kales, which we normally use to peel suckers, you plant direct. And it tastes so sweet. Rather than when you go to the market or to the aggrovate, you buy it. That's one, it can't last for the long time. But the suckers, even it can stay over 5 years or 3 years. Let's go, man. Hey, that's my mama. So go. Okay. And man, welcome to outside. This is how our compound looks like. Very amazing. And my baby just over there. Wow. Let's go. Guys, I'm telling you, from our home to the toilet, it's not far, man. Just like we can walk even at 0 minutes. And probably, guys, let's go and see. Guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it. And in case you're new here, subscribe to my channel, comment, share. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. Wow. So for my premiere again today, I think it's on Saturday. It depends, guys. It depends. Wow. So mama want a. So guys, sorry. Yesterday we planted from other side, and it's remaining. We wanna plant right now. Wow. Also, this is our veggies right now here, called krerema in our vernacular language, and maybe one day when I come here with my phone, half full of data, I'll make a research on it. It tastes so nice, very slippery, and I'm saying this on my videos when I came on this side here. When you came to Africa, especially in, according to our culture, when your wife gets birth, immediately you peel this one, you cook, and then you mix with bone meat. You give your wife to eat or to drink, whichever the case, and then they will heal the pain quick and fast. Alright, guys, welcome to our small kitchen garden right now here. Most of the people ask me, hello baby, why don't you plant kales and veggies at home instead of going and buying? Most of the time, maybe I understand buying maybe veggies like kales or sukuma wiki every day, it's hectic. And when we plant this There's some most of the veggies we got to buy in border town or in Yabohanse to promote each other, guys. So on today, mama, okay, dig man. On today, guys, we decided to plant kales. Yesterday we do it, and today we wanna do it again. You know, my mama said, you know what, today let's go and you plant. So see bitunguru mani horator. My embareke you mama ustivira. Okay, so guys, that's the process. First you make the hole, and then we talk about the suckers. This one here, wow. Also, I think even on my grandma's kitchen right there, we have these suckers, and the kales from the suckers rust for the long time, you know. Oh, but are jumping from one tree to another, singing melodious song here. Okay, that's my mama. Okay, guys. Okay, mama, hold it for me like this. Taringani mo. Okay, guys. My mama, this suckers, guys. You know, when I was in primary school, I normally plant some kales. So my mama told me just. Mama, guys, sorry. My SD card was full of the videos I supposed to delete, and I'm going to plant again. Sister, come. That's my sister. Hey, say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I'm fine.
And nowadays you're smiling, shining. Hey. Okay, guys, that's my sister. In case you don't know her, she was calling Mata Nyabon. That's her real name. Okay, guys. Okay, mom, come back again. Okay. Okay, mom, hold it for me. Like that, guys. You know, I'm a good planter. And at the same time, guys, we have onions here. Guys, squatting is something hectic. So let me do first each and every hole. Oh my god. The small one you put to 2. I don't mix. Hey guys, it's been a while. Okay guys, so then put like that, and then there. Another one here, there, Mama Tarhon. Okay, that's how we plant kales. How guys, let me try to plant. So on touch it. Touch me remember. Okay guys. Eh? Okay guys, let me do like this. The small like this one here, you plant 2, because when one goes bad, other one can survive. Oh, hello baby on the control. We want to put too much soil. We don't. Yeah guys, you don't want to put too much soil. Like that way. I'm telling you guys, the smaller one We put 2, like this one is 2. Okay, that is it. Look at me. That's how we plant kales. More so for the suckers. This one here. Look at me. We put 2, the small one. Wow. Then, baby on the control. You people, you are so amazing. You say, little baby, plant kales for your mama. So today I'm doing it. Get out. Okay. Leave one on Morim. Wow. My sister's watching here. Okay. And don't imagine now I'm economy. Imbia kwa kidishi. So it's time to plant onions, ma'am. Toka tu kambi hayo around me vitungu. Oh. My mama making the hoe, me I'm planting. That's how we go. You know. And my mama, she was working so hard, serious. Yeah. This is our small garden here. This is my grandma's garden or my aunt's garden. Yeah. Okay, Mama, come. This one we planted yesterday, but I didn't manage to make the videos, like to upload the videos, you know. Okay. So guys, Mama Neta is supposed to plant onions, and we cut the long roots so it can able to grow quick and fast. Okay. Okay, Mama, hold the camera like this. Don't mind, Mom. It's a small issue. So like this one, see, it has some long roots, so we're supposed to do like this. And I on the control like that way, you know, so the fresh roots can grow good. That's how we do. That's how we do, guys. Things here, you know. Guys, we try to share with you this experience. Okay, like that, man. Guys, we try to share with you this experience. You know, do like this. This onion, spring onion, we do like that way, and then we're gonna start planting. You know, this way. There is a day watching my videos. My brother prepared the land on the small farm, and technically right now it's a planting season. I'm sure with you guys. Let me know other people. Did you guys manage to cut the leaves? No, roots. The way Hello Baby I'm cutting. Okay, man. Here. Okay, mama. Thank you, Tori Kimuki. Very. So, Mama decided to plant onions down here. I'll show you the end products. when the onions doing good and kales. Wow. And mama, we normally put manure. Yeah. Like no going to the agrovet buying manure. Here we use cow dung direct, like the local manure. Okay, mama, you put two. No. Watakada hano remisukuma. Remisukuma. Akino kimiri kimwe mama. Hey. Ata. Tuma imbere ibane. Ata bere nyuma no remi bisobe. Aho. Tate koromi jor.
Koromake.
Hey.
Kama.
Tama sino achola turunde wimi. Mama, me, I'm going. Right, guys. Thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate, and that's how we do things at home here. Hey, my sister brings you. Okay, put it down. Put down. And shake camera. Hold for me, camera, sister. Okay. Oh, guys, sometimes like that. Yeah. Sometimes struggling with my sister here holding the camera. Alright. For my premiere again, for my premiere again, you get this video earlier because today is our weekend. Now guys, I'm in farm and I wanna make sure that because I was touching the ground, like the soil, so it's ends on my nails. Oh guys, don't mind please. I wanna take you outside. Hey, you have that bat. Okay, sister, thank you. You said you welcome. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, for your good service. Alright, man. It's time to go and wash my bike because it's been a while. Hey, you have two different of birds here. You heard the sound. You heard the sound. Others are saying choo 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 choo. Others saying choo. All right, let's go. So it's time to go Nyabuhanse and wash my bike. This is what I'm calling home. You know, east to west, home is the best. Wow, I love my machine, guys. I love my machine. So it's have almost 4 days without washing them, and literally it has full of mud, guys. I don't want to charge where I came from, and I know the situation. At the same time, we have leaders. They should wake up, guys. You know. So for me, no idea at all. Nionishike nipiga kona. Okay. Mama, hapa tu penye ulikuwa. That's my sister. Nishike tu nipiga kona. So, you know guys, sometimes hapo tu weka hapo tu. Sometimes guys, I could. Right, guys, I get in the motorbike. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. That's my dad's parents' home or my grandma home. That's my dad's home. And guys, I can't wait to see my mom's dream house come in good shape. Guys, thank you so much for the love and support that you show me. And guys, thank you so much by keep supporting me by watching my videos every day. And I can't complain, guys. You support me in another way. You supporting me in financial, and I'm not well capable in financial, guys. Through you guys, you make my dream outside here to be shine. You know, me, I'm always grinding so hard, and all the way positive vibe, guys. Imagine, guys, through you watching my videos, I have this bike, and through watching my videos, I'm trying to make my mama dream house come in good shape. Takuringa sasi, you know. You see? So maybe by God's grace, this house maybe in future would not never sing them here anymore. But the only one house will remain right at which I'm living right now, you know. So to be an history. Maybe in the future when I will get the kids and wife material, I could give him a small history that we're living on this condition. So we remain in this house. If it's not possible, I'll click one of the videos and then I'll show him, because these videos could be an evidence, guys, you know. Wow. So let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. This is the stones right here. This one, you know, dream come to reality, guys. Also, yeah, man. Also, guys, this is my blocks right now here, and I'm going to build my mom's dream house here. Me, I don't know whether this space can be able to be fixed, but there's a day bring an engineer here. We will see, guys. So let's go. Let's go. What? Say hello.
Hi guys, welcome back to Hello Baby YouTube channel. Like and subscribe there. My name is Man Cloud. Wherever you are, subscribe to Hello Baby YouTube channel. Road to 100,000 subscribers.
Okay.
Yeah.
Guys, check him out, guys. Guys, I left my bike there. I came to find my brother here. So you are drinking porridge. Say hello.
Hello guys.
Yes.
Yeah.
So he was the one who washed my bike. Yeah, it's been a while. Tana shida wata. Eu nunca ragande parama. Tiara onkore vesa bien. Senti ganchengere. I pay you before you wash. Yeah, guys, because time is running. I think right now it's 1:24 p.m. Yeah, that's my local time, and I'm supposed to release my videos as much as possible earlier, quick and earlier. Hey, this is brown porridge.
Brown porridge, bro.
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah.
Yes, and my bike is just over there. And I'm going to okay. That's okay. Okay, guys, we're going they get to wash for me bike. This is fire out here for burning bricks. Okay, kids working here. I just get one somewhere. There's a generator here. What that toy? Oh no. You're in machine.
Oh yes, I'm okay.
Hey, that's a crown, baby. Here.
And ingiri akabao ko.
Yumma.
Yan tora buchahan na han.
Hi, Hannah.
Yo. Pen.
You're setting.
Diri bon. Oh.
Hey, the same bike. Look how it's running. Woo! Pinhanga na ako yate may number plate.
Ute ne number.
Hey, kana nyumbe.
Toko ke tor.
Yeah.
Yanyo ne number. Sabu kare kili tiga na Kenya kwanza ne kere. Iya.
Yeah.
Ibu Kenya kiko be ne. Kenya hati bi yebe. Kana no bwana ko tiga.
Guy, blue scar.
Ah, omanya bono ko ke tore.
Guys, this is the tarmac road which connects East Africa, the border of Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda. This one that we see here. Hey. Something else. Get a Kenya one see go.
Ige kenanda ke Kenya mera.
Poda so.
Era beku omo ku gengeres. Ku gengeres ya.
Yo.
Yo.
Hey.
Ku gengeres ya omo yake ku kere.
Inaitwa poda so.
Bora so.
Poda.
Poda.
Hiyo si sabuni ya nani ya poda. Eh. Era sasa teriano raga dari kamaro.
Ani tulia. Ah, eno eta ko daro samo. Eno eta ko daro no ngudire pa onu eta tulia pa ono ke.
Kwani re machine te okora?
Ah, ngo korere no koremba ko genyo uge mwahegere.
Eh.
No, Kama nyire hata hano te isabere ngo kongore.
Okay, guys. So what he tried to say, guys, first thing you wanna pour water and then to lower the mud, and then you use machine. You wanna lower matope. Yeah, this is a machine. Using local way.
Eh, no roko, no te bigera ya na niri ya rure. Ora gira hatanda kero ko gichi ndaruti chinguru tirasiro. Ma wengu chore hano razikia. Chinguru tiras.
Hey, hey, machine make work easier, guys. I'm telling you.
Honyoranda ni moyora boru kiga nande kera unike no. Jombo sama. Ta honyor we boyo bati. Yo monto bate wa de.
Guys, right now my bike is purely clean. So
biga pono hano e bae kwiri. Hi guys.
It's time to wipe.
Hey.
And then go, guys. This is a crown baby here. Look how it looks like. Oh my god. Wana ni chero watambara kon. Look matatu for loading.
Hey, manchenge homere.
Why make you home?
Hey.
Okay guys, I'm heading to border town right now. Border town for you guys. For sure. I'm heading to border town. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Wow. In case you're here guys, I wanna take you along to border town. At least you see how border town looks like, and I know most of the people knows where I'm heading to. I'm going in border town to pick my small stuff on my bike, and then I'll come back. Let's go. Super calm day. Whoa. Wow, that's the Rory heading to Nairobi. Going that way. Fresh. Let's go. Other side they're mining, doing quarry mining there. Slowly, slowly. No pressure at all. Momo corner. Wait. Wait. Let's go. I see Enacot, guys. Bus all the way from border town to Nairobi. Enacot, baby. One day I'll see that one. Oh. Ooh. Look, guys. People built here. No, that's the maze cone right there. Beautiful stones. Another side. I'm telling you. Matatu. Oh. Ha. Guys, I'm heading border town, picking my stuff, my small stuff, guys. You know. Ooh. Let's go down. On this side here they cut tax. I'm telling you. This side they cut tax. But all in well, let's go. People on motorbike. And guys, I realized motorbike is the most transportation here. Simply because it's cheap to hire, cheap to maintain, you know. Let's go. That's a hospital, also there's a church right there. And on the other side here, there's a school right there. Let's move. That's kales right there. Let's maneuver around. Wow, look at that house, man. Very amazing. Okay. From this side, I see the donkey grazing on the other side, opposite. Let's go look at the side. Super amazing. Okay. And I'm going to fix up one of my hair again, guys. You know? Wow, that's petrol station. Shell. Wow, guys, right now mostly people from Tanzania, the Sukuma one, we have the clan called Wasukuma. Like right now they harvest maize weekend fast. Crazy. So all these trucks that you see here, maize come from Tanzania and then heading to Nairobi. Let's go. Let's go. This is border town for you guys. And I wanna fix one of my hair and then pick some small stuff here, and then heading home. Wow. This is Bora Town for you. Let's go. There's a police station right there. Hustle's real outside here. Everywhere. Let's go. Wow. Here you must be very careful. I see the pig. Guys, let me take you around and then I'll come back to fix my hair. Right now. That's the bank. Petrol station, another one here. I'm telling you. Let's go. That's how Bora Town looks like. Let's go, let's go, let's go. There's another shell here. Rubies. And I normally purchase cement there, silver. Okay. Let's go. The selling tank right here. What a town for you. That's how Bora Town looks like. Let's go. I see the tourist vehicle within here. Yeah. That's Toyota. Let's go. Today is on a Saturday, it's a market day in Bora Town. That's how you see people moving up and down, buying some stuff here and there. Look at the other side. We're heading straight. The good thing today is a market day. Looks like during the market today. Wow, Bora Town for you. Wow, they're making metal box here, G-cores. Selling of mattress here. Tanzanian bike. Okay. This side here, they're selling fruits. I'm telling you, right here. Guys, I'm fixing my hair here. One hair, one dread, imagine. See guys. Say hello.
Hello.
You good? Okay guys. Full of customers. Wow. Well guys, so right now I'm heading home after from Border Town guys. So we use this road. Actually, I went to make one of my dreadlocks called get issues, you know. It's been a while since last 3 months. Guys, it's supposed to be rain guys. I wonder when I wash my bike the rain come. Look the weather how it's behaved. But all in well, we flow the vibe. Okay, I think even right now I'm going to park my bike because like I'm not going anywhere. So it's a weekend. I'm gonna put my videos earlier. That's the church right there. And then after putting the videos, sitting home with my mom. Sweet home, best home. Hey, let's go. Yeah. Imagine guys, from here to my home only 5 posts. We have power. But one day guys, I will get the solar. One day I will have my own solar power. So I'm going slowly guys because the climate condition change, you know. Noon time it was so hot, but right now it's totally cold. Okay, that's my baby. All right, back to the village. Back to the village. So I'm heading home guys, and I planned the kales in good way. Probably it's raining time right now. Oh, it's raining time. So I'm heading home. I'm greeting one of my English teachers in primary school. Shikamo means how are you, teacher? And other side, that's my home right there. Born hometown. What? Sit down. Kuna kitu nataka nichukua. Nikaangalie. Right. Let's go back home. This is what I'm calling home right now, guys. Here. Okay. Because of weather, guys, that's my uncle's project. I tried to push their project. Wow, guys, I'm back home, and I said thank you so much by keep watching my videos every day, and thank you so much for my good road trip, because every day I went with my bike road trip. And I shall meet on the next video, which is tomorrow, guys. Bye bye.